Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to stop autopay in Hostinger. Once you're logged into your Hostinger account, just go to Billing, and next to your Hostinger subscription you want to stop its autopay, click on this little arrow, click on Disable Auto Renewal, confirm your selection, and select one of these options and click on Submit and Disable Auto Renewal. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.